Hello, welcome everybody to the another excitement video on Python. I'm your host Galaxy, and today we are gonna create your first program, that is Hello World. Let's get started. Let's open VS Code. Let's get started. Just click to the Explorer, alright, and you will see the menu to open the folder. Go to this top bar, click on File and Open. Now you create the folder. I have already created the folder, Python Learn and Grow series, and I'm gonna go inside and create a folder called episode 2. Since this is episode 2, I'll just create it. I'll just open it. Now the VS Code will open that folder, and we want to make file which is Python file. So just click on this menu. Let's create the file called main.py, and one thing you have to notice that the py is the extension for the Python file, so every developer or everybody out there will understand it's the Python file. So you use .py for Python extension. Alright, the main is the name of the file. You could name whatever you like. Okay, I have just named main.py. I'm just gonna hit enter and it will open main.py. Now let's create the Hello World program. In Python there are so many inbuilt functions they have given to display on the screen, and one of the major functions that we use like every day, it's called print. It's one of the inbuilt function in Python. So we write print and open close bracket, and between this bracket we just write our first hello world text. Alright, now to run this program, you have this icon over here, run. You can click it and this main.py file will run. Here you can see your hello world. Also, if you want to run this program in a different way, then you can go to View and open the terminal. Just click on it and it will open the same terminal. Alright, and then you just type Python 3 if you are in the Mac. If you are from the Windows, I guess Python will work, but on the Mac you type Python 3, then the name of your file .py, then hit enter and it will execute your program. Alright, this will print your hello world. Now let's create a simple variable which is called greetings and give the single quote or double quote. If you want to write the text, it doesn't matter, Python will accept it. I'll put the name greetings and I will say Galaxy World. I'll just append this variable in this text. So to do that, we write f and then you write curly bracket and put the variable name greetings. Alright, and you hit run. This will work out hello world Galaxy World. And you can do as well Python 3 main.py. It will print the same thing. I'll just clear it out. If you don't like this terminal, you can choose the terminal. To choose the JSS bash or command, it will give you. Just execute the program with the Python command. Now to go one step deeper, how this program is executing. It is with the help of interpreter. Interpreter is a special program that the Python execute your instruction or your code we write, and it will execute on the any machine. Will convert your code which the machine understand, convert your code into bytecode. That's the special code which the Python VM will understand. Python VM stands for Python virtual machine. So this code you write will turns into bytecode, and this bytecode will be executed by this Python VM. That's how your interpreter work. So to get more detail, you can see over here, it's a little bit smaller text. You can see you are using 3.13.3 64-bit Python 3 interpreter. If you hit Command Shift and P, or if you just go over here on the view or command palette, click on it and search for interpreter, and they will give the option to select interpreter. So you have just installed the Python 3.13.3, right? Or you may have installed the Python version of many types, so you can choose it over here. And on the Mac, they have already installed Python of the older version they call it legacy version, but the Python version we want to use is the downloaded one, which is 3.13.3. so it's recommended over here. We just click on it. If your interpreter is not well selected or properly fixed, just go to view, command palette, type select interpreter, and choose one of your likes. Okay, now this is how you execute your hello world program. And that's it, guys, and in the next episode we'll talk about the variables. Guys, congratulations. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.